this week, our sprint really focused on technology building. So we are continuing working on the Bookmarklet. So right now, what we're currently at is we can find clearfix elements. So if a page is using any form of clearfix that we've determined by what we found before from last week when we have been researching what kind of techniques people use for clearfix, we can now find if we can now detect if a page is using it, and we can also show you what exactly they're using in their CSS. So I can show you an example of how this is working. So we currently have the server running, and now you just drag the Bookmarklet to your Bookmarklets bar, and so now you can use it on a site. So we know that Engadget is using it, so when you click on it, says it found it. So if you go to the console, we can actually show you what they're using. So this is what they're actually using in their CSS. We can also use it on other sites like YouTube. The problem with this one is that a lot of sites will block our Bookmarklet since it's not being served over HTTPS, but you can still put in the functions that we wrote straight into the console. And yep, I found an example of micro clearfix, and that's what it looks like for micro clearfix there. And same thing with other sites too. So next week we're going to focus on generalizing this, generalizing and handling cases for different techniques. CSS techniques are a little bit more straightforward, but really moving on to figuring out how we can use this for maybe JavaScript techniques, but also still just generalizing it for different ways people can write techniques. But yeah, that's what our focus will be for next week. Thanks.